Circle the correct answers, write, then listen. So let's play this recording.
Page 106. Exercise 2. Track 30. 1.
What are they doing?
Getting the mail.
What are they doing? You have to use plural verb because the subject is they. They are. Now, this is just answered without using subject verb. But if you want to make this into a complete sentence, you could say they are getting the mail. Or you can just answer straight with a phrase, getting the mail.
Two. What is he doing?
Making dinner.
What is he doing? Again, subject is he. You need a singular verb. You need is. Now, if you want to make this into a complete sentence, here's a subject, verb. He is making dinner. We can just answer by not making a complete sentence, just making dinner. A complete sentence would be he is or he's making dinner.
3. What is she doing? Cutting the grass.
What is she doing? Subject is she. You need a singular verb, is. Cutting the grass. Now you want to make this into a complete sentence. You need subject, which is she, verb is. She is cutting the grass. Or she's cutting the grass. She's the shortened form for she is.
4.
What are they doing? Drying the dishes.
What are they doing? They, subject, it's a plural, so you need a plural verb. A matching plural verb are drying the dishes. Now you need subject verb to make this into a complete sentence. They are doing, they are drying the dishes. Or they're drying the dishes. They are, you could use it in a shortened form, they're doing the dishes.
5.
What is he doing?
Walking the dog.
What is he doing? He. Subject, it's a singular. That's why you need is. What is he doing? Walking the dog. He is walking the dog. Or he's walking the dog.
6. What is she doing?
Taking out the trash.
What is she doing? She, a subject, a singular subject. Therefore, you need a singular verb, is. She is taking out the trash. She's taking out the trash. Now, page 107. 3, look at the pictures. Complete the sentences. What is she doing? B, making the bed. She is making the bed. She's making the bed. And what's the contraction form for what is? It'll be what, apostrophe, S. What's she doing? You could say, what's she doing? Number 2, what are they doing? Making lunch. They are making lunch. They're making lunch. You need are because this is they. Number 3, what is she doing? Is. You need is. This is a singular subject. Getting the mail. Getting the mail. She is getting the mail. She's getting the mail. Looks like she's living in an apartment or a condominium or townhome. I believe they have these shared or something like this with a key and a mailbox. Number 4, what are they doing? They, again, plural subject. You need are, A-R-E. Cutting the grass or mowing the grass. They are mowing the grass. They're mowing the grass. They are cutting the grass. They're cutting the grass. Now that's a riding mower. Now that's just a handheld mower, I guess, or hand mower, but that's a riding mower. Number 5, what is she doing? She's washing the dishes, or she is doing the dishes. You could do the dishes or wash the dishes, either one. Or you could say she's cleaning the dishes. You could say clean too. She's cleaning the dishes. Number 6, what is he doing? He, singular, subject, you need is, I-S. He's taking out the trash. He's taking out the trash. Now let's go to page 108. Let's listen to our track.
Page 108. Exercise 1. Track 31.
The Gomez family is busy this morning. Bonita is washing the dishes in the kitchen. Magda is doing homework in the living room. Outside, Ramon is cutting the grass. Manuel and Leona are washing the car. Luisa is taking out the trash.
So number 1, Bonita is doing homework. The answer is no. What is Bonita doing? Bonita is washing the dishes in the kitchen. That's why the answer is no. 2, Luisa is taking out the trash. Is it yes or no? Here's Luisa. Luisa is taking out the trash. So answer is yes. That's correct. It's true. Number 3, Magda is washing the dishes. Where's Magda? Right here. Magda is doing homework in the living room. So the answer is no. It's not true. It's false. She is doing homework in the living room, not washing the dishes. Number 4. Manuel and Leona are washing the car. Let's look at Manuel and Leona right here. Manuel and Leona are washing the car. That is correct. It's true. Answer is yes. Number 5. Ramon is cutting the grass. Ramon is cutting the grass. Right here. Ramon outside. Ramon is cutting the grass. So the answer is yes. It's true. This is correct. 2. Complete the sentences. 1. What are Manuel and Leona doing? They are washing the car. Now, you substituted with a pronoun they. What are, and you use the subject are because it's more than one person. The subject here is Manuel and Leona. It's more than one. Therefore, this is a plural. That's why you have to use are. Anytime when you use and it's more than one. So therefore, it becomes a plural. And for the plural subject, you could choose an appropriate pronoun. So any plural pronoun could do. And they means more than one. So that's why you could substitute with they. They are washing the car. But you could also say Manuel and Leona are washing the car. But in America, a lot of times you use their names in the first sentence, but after that, they just like to substitute it with a pronoun. I think it's shorter and easier. Number 2, what is Bonita doing? Bonita is a girl and is only one and is capitalized with letter B. So you know this is a name of the person. And this is a proper noun. So the correct pronoun to switch for Bonita is she. She is, what is Bonita doing? She is washing the dishes. We can say Bonita is washing the dishes. Number 3, what is Ramon doing? Again, is, because there's only one subject. And Ramon happens to be a boy's name. Equivalent to Ramon for a girl's name would be Ramona. Ramona. In America, if it ends with letter A like that, it's a girl's name. So without A, it's going to be Leon. Leon, and that's a boy's name. But Leona now changes to a girl's name. Same thing. This is Manuel. It's a boy's name. But if you say Manuela, now that's going to be a girl's name. So, and you know this is a person's name because this is also capitalized with letter R. It's a proper noun. So, the only suitable pronoun to switch for Ramon would be he. He means boy and it's singular. He is, what is he doing? Cutting the grass. He is cutting the grass. Or Ramon is cutting the grass. 4. What is Magda doing? Again, it ends with A. So yes, your guess is correct. It's a girl's name. So you could substitute with she. Pronoun she. What is Magda doing? She is doing homework. So you could say she is doing homework. Or also you could say Magda is doing homework. 5. What is Luisa doing? Again, you guessed it correct. It ends with A. It's a girl's name. So Lewis would be a boy's name. And this is also capitalized with letter L. So this is a proper noun. And the perfect substitution for Luisa would be she. What is she doing? Luisa. Luisa is taking out the trash. Luisa is taking out the trash, or she is taking out the trash. Now let's move on to next page. That would be page 109, 3. Look at the pictures, write the words. Number 1, this is a bathroom. Looks like that's, what do you call that? A shower rod. It's a rod. Now that's a shower curtain. That's I think it's a tub. It's a mirror. That's the faucet. Actually, that's the faucet right there. That's a sink. It's a cabinet and drawers, 3 drawer. So you can call this like maybe bathroom vanity. And here's a toilet. Here's a water tank for the toilet. The whole thing together is a toilet. Number 2. Now what does it look like? There's a bed with a blanket or a duvet, comforter, whatever you want to call it. I see like 2 pillows with maybe a sham, or it could be a pillowcase. Now here's a 3 drawer dresser. There's a mirror on top. That looks like a desk with a chair. So I think this is a bedroom. Now what do you see here? Again, a mirror. 2 lamps. Now 2 end tables. Now that's a coffee table. Probably, I'm guessing this is a television, TV. This is called a TV stand. Here's a sofa. But you could seat 2 people. See, you could seat more people if you want, but here's 1, 2. So if it's made for 2 seated, for 2 people, we call it love seat, because only 2 people are supposed to be sitting, love seat. And this is only for 1 person. Anything one person is called a chair. So I think this is a living room. Now number 4. Now that's a front load, probably dryer. No, I think that's a washer. I think usually washer has a glass door like this, so you can see what's going on inside. So I think that's the dryer, washer and dryer. Here's some cabinets. So this is, and probably that's a laundry basket with dirty clothes. That's a laundry room. Number 5, what do you see? Refrigerator. The top one is a freezer. Now here's an old kitchen counter. I don't know, maybe that's a toaster. Here's that top is stove. The bottom part is the oven. This is the hood. hood. Here's a sink with a faucet. So this has to be kitchen. Kitchen. So T is actually silent. It's kitchen, but you need letter T. Correct spelling requires letter T. Now number 6. What do you see? I see 2 candles on a candlestick. Here's a candlestick with 4 chairs, and this is a table. I'm guessing this is a dining table, so this has to be a dining room, and I think this is a casual dining room. It's a dining room. Usually if it sits more than 4, like 6, more than 6, then we usually call it a formal dining room. So this is just a dining room.